Step into a world where your DIY projects come to life effortlessly. Here are the 8 new tools to make your DIY projects easier, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable. We know the hassle of pool cleaning. You can't hire professionals to do that every time. That's where the Pool Blaster Cordless Vacuum comes in handy. It's the ultimate DIY tool for effortless pool cleaning. Its increased vacuum suction, powered by the WaterTech P30 motor design, efficiently picks up debris including acorns, twigs, leaves, dirt, and sand. This versatile cleaner lets you clean the entire pool or spot clean hard-to-reach areas in seconds. Its cordless design eliminates the hassle of hoses and cords, providing quick and easy cleaning for your swimming pool, hot tub, or spa. The lithium-ion battery ensures an extended runtime of up to 1 hour, and the push-button operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. Attach it to any standard telescopic pool pole and experience the convenience and efficiency of DIY pool maintenance with the Pool Blaster Cordless Vacuum. You might get confused at first glance, but this Unihan AT200 introduces a new era of innovation in the world of DIY with its cutting-edge handheld tape winding machine. Specifically designed for wire and tube applications, this remarkable tool revolutionizes the process of wrapping tape on wiring harnesses and tubes, ensuring exceptional stability and reliability throughout. Experience the perfect balance between convenience and efficiency as the AT200 impresses with its compact size, lightweight design, and flexible usability. Powered by a lithium battery, it empowers your DIY endeavors with long-lasting performance. What sets this machine apart is its seamless transition between handheld and desktop operation, offering unparalleled versatility to adapt to any task at hand. Unleash your DIY creativity with the Bosch Universal Cut Nano Blade Saw, a true masterpiece of power and innovation. Designed to enhance your woodworking and crafting projects, this saw delivers outstanding performance and optimized ergonomics for flawless, freehand cuts in wood, wood-based materials, and plastic. With the revolutionary nano blade technology, you can indulge in vibration-free sawing, allowing your artistic visions to come to life with precision and ease. The ergonomics of the Universal Cut enable comfortable two-handed operations, enabling you to tackle even the toughest applications effortlessly. Embrace the magic of swift and hassle-free saw blade changes with the SDS system, eliminating any interruptions to your creative flow. Powered by the versatile Bosch 18-volt power for all batteries, this saw becomes your trusty companion, empowering your DIY adventures with uninterrupted power and endless possibilities. Although it has a simple look, this HYDE heavy-duty molding puller is designed to unlock the true power of your DIY prowess while maintaining the integrity of your walls and flooring. Engineered to remove baseboard, trim, and molding materials with finesse, this puller is a gentle giant with no room for damage. This versatile tool also excels at freeing tiles and carpets from their adhesive embrace, making it a must-have for flooring enthusiasts. Its patent-pending design features a built-in wedge on the 90-degree angle. It effortlessly spreads force across a wider surface area. Crafted for a lifetime of durability, this puller is built to withstand the test of time, ready to embark on countless DIY adventures by your side. Grip the superior no-slip handle and let the tool become your trusted ally as you create or renovate your space. MyWay 8-inch pump suction cup. This tool is your secret weapon for conquering heavy lifting tasks with finesse and precision, even without anyone's assistance. With an impressive lifting capacity of 120 kilograms, it effortlessly takes on the weight of your ambitions. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel handle and brass tube, it exudes durability, ensuring a lasting partnership on your DIY journey. This pump features action and a quick-release lever that gives you full control, making your lifting endeavors a breeze. Tailor-made for large porcelain or stone tiles and delicate glass, this suction cup becomes your trusted companion, turning your visions into reality. It also proudly boasts a pressure monitor, ensuring the utmost safety for your materials. Feel confident as you tackle your projects, knowing that it keeps your materials secure throughout the lifting process. Next on the list is Refco TriTector R, a groundbreaking 3-in-1 solution that empowers you to conquer gas detection challenges like never before. Designed with the creative DIY enthusiast in mind, this innovative device allows you to detect all common refrigerants, combustible gases, and tracer gases with ease and precision, eliminating the need for multiple tools. Its intuitive handling and intelligent electronics automatically detect the connected sensor, ensuring a seamless experience as you navigate your DIY projects. With exchangeable sensors tailored for refrigerants, combustible gases, and tracer gases, you can adapt to any detection scenario. The automatic and manual reset feature provides peace of mind by intelligently managing ambient concentrations. Equipped with a high-quality LCD display, this tool delivers crystal clear information, allowing you to monitor gas levels confidently. Let your imagination soar and your projects thrive with this game-changing gas detection companion by your side. The Amprobe Tic300 Pro is a remarkable tool that revolutionizes voltage detection, providing a safe and efficient solution for DIY enthusiasts. With its advanced technology, this device can verify the presence of voltage from 30 VAC to an impressive 122,000 VAC without making direct contact with the conductor. Equipped with a simple 2-level electricity tester, this tool offers a high-voltage setting for checking transmission lines, power distribution equipment, down power lines, and load break connectors. But using it for regular DIY projects is safer. The Tic300 Pro features a WaterTech alert system that provides an additional layer of safety, warning users of voltage presence through bright flashing lights and loud beeps. Meanwhile, the push-button self-test feature ensures that the tester functions correctly, giving you peace of mind during your DIY projects. It also comes with a convenient handle and a universal adapter that extends your reach and versatility. Let's end up today's list with the Capro 317 Adjustable Drywall T-Square. This handy tool is your key to unlocking seamless drywall installations with unparalleled versatility and accuracy. Its sliding head effortlessly adjusts to any angle, allowing you to conquer complex cuts and measurements easily. With ABS end caps featuring a hands-free ledge, you can dive into your projects without worrying about flipping or slipping. The anodized aluminum finish adds durability and a touch of sleekness to your DIY arsenal. The strong screw lock ensures a secure connection, while the highly visible dual-directional printed scale in centimeters and inches lets you breeze through measurements. Etched angle markings on the T-head and the indentation in the profile empower you to mark and cut precisely from the board edge, eliminating guesswork. When the job is done, simply fold it up for easy storage. Okay, that was the list of the 8 new tools that will make your DIY project easier. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.